18. So it's your birthday to this coming August 13, right? Okay, so
And I'm not gonna lose again.
so you need to be win, okay?
You need to win.
You need to win, ha? You need to win.
And then
Okay.
daw si Mama, hilom ka sa diha. Hilom ka sa diha.
Okay.
But mo na mugtip.
Okay?
Sige ha.
Okay, so
And but mo ko na mugkuan. Kami magbuot.
so what did you say?
But mo na mugkuan.
Kalam,
Mawin ka.
if I lose,
But mo na mo tip. And then ang second one, but mo ng tubig.
Butmon. Okay.
Mayroon pa ka na suka.
Okay. So how about if I win?
I'm gonna shut down for 1 week.
No. Basta if you win,
Ako,
so we will going to hold your birthday at Manila Resort, okay?
Okay, sa chef first.
Na.
if
Chef
it
first.
is lose ko, ato gyud mo na. Pakian.
Yes. Good evening mga palangga. Good evening mga palangga. So tonight is July 18. So it's our anniversary, 16th anniversary with my wife. But sad to say, blackout siya mga bayot. So mga palangga, blackout. So mau nakahuka si Prunti Guapo. So para dili mawala among ka-boring mga palangga, together with my family. Okay, so boring good, walay kurente, di may maka-internet, walay data. It's because down din ang smart diri sa mua. So, ang among ginahimo is snake ladder me. Snake and ladder mga palangga together with my wife. Yan. My daughter. My children mga palangga. So, ito mga palangga, maglalaro kami ng snake and ladder. So, ito yung deal namin mga palangga. If in case, makinig.
Uy, 1 day lang po na mag-mute.
No, it's 1 week.
Daddy!
Mga palangga, if ako ang manalo, pag ako ang manalo mga palangga, my wife, walang marinig na ano. Ang deal namin is walang marinig na mga maingay.
Bundag di ko
Walang blah 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 for 1 week. Walang kasaba, walang mga maingay sa bahay ko for 1 week. That's our deal with my wife. Mga
If
palangga.
mag-win ka,
But if I lose, any of them will win. My daughter ba and my wife. So if they win, so our deal is ang birthday ng ang aking bunso, i-hail namin sa Manuel Resort. Adopted child. Okay mga palangga. So,
Hoy,
yan
huwag
mga
kayo
palangga.
mawin,
So, deal namin po, pag ako ang nanalo, ang aking wife, mute. Mute for 1 week. Mute
Hoy,
for 1 week.
o ako'y ma-winner, tulog ka sa gawas.
Ako, pag pag kayo ang manalo, hindi. Yun na yung deal natin. Yun na yung deal natin. Basta pag ako ang manalo mga palangga, ang asawa ko mute for 1 week.
Akong din.
Pag sila ang nanalo, so ang birthday na aking bunso this coming August 13, i-held namin sa Manuel Resort. Okay mga palangga? So see you later mga palangga and we will going to start our game na.
Good luck!
Ayan.
Basta kikita eh.
Butitin. So it's your birthday to this coming August 13, right? Okay, so
And I'm not gonna lose again.
so you need to be win, okay?
You need to win.
You need to win, ha? You need to win.
And then
Okay.
daw si Mama, hilom ka sa diha. Hilom ka sa diha.
Okay.
But mo na mugtip.
Okay?
Sige ha.
Okay, so
And but mo ko na mugkuan. Kami magbuot.
so what did you say?
But mo na mugkuan.
Kalam,
Mawin ka.
if I lose,
But mo na mo tip. And then ang second one, but mo ng tubig.
butmon. Okay.
Mayroon pa ka na suka.
Water.
Okay. So how about if I win?
I'm gonna shut down for 1 week.
No. Basta if you win,
Ako,
so we will going to hold your birthday at Manila Resort. Okay?
Okay, say share first.
Na.
if it lose ko, ato gyapon na. Pakiana. Walay bata apil, husong ko agma. Ang mga boss dito.
Okay? Okay, let's start. So choose your colors na.
Ay, blue!
Lala, what color are you going to choose?
Blue.
Blue one. How about you, Butin?
Green.
What?
You're green.
Green.
Green, and you're
So,
yellow, and
So,
I'm red.
Mama is red and I am
Yellow! That
Yellow.
means you're a biot.
okay. Let's have a
Okay,
dice
say first.
first. Okay.
Kung sino ang first na magano ha? Okay. Ako ang unang mag-dice mga palangga. Mine is 1. Ano ba to? Palakihan?
Hindi, one.
Hindi, palakihan talaga. Ako ang 1. So, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Ako yung unang mag-ano, dice. 4. So, ikaw lala. Anong sa'yo? Sige. 5. Ikaw, Dre. Mag-dice ka, Dre. It's 5. It's tie. Next.
Sige, Jay,
Sige, mag-break kayo. It's tie. 1. Ikaw, sige. 1 more.
Ikaw next ako lang.
So, I'm the first. So, ako yung una. Then, Mama, you. And the last one is Audrey. Yeah, because you get. Yeah, because you get 5.
Bakit ikaw?
Okay, me first. Okay, ready?
Go.
4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! Yes, 1. Mga palangga, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ding, 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 ding. Go, Mama. 5. Here. Here ka. You go there. 5. No, dati. No, nasa mo na siya. Okay. Lala, it's 4. So, ayan, parehas tayo, Lala. Parehas tayo, Lala. Akyat tayo. So, Butin, it's your turn, Butin. Okay? 6. Here, 6. Okay, me, my turn. Ang liit ng stick ang ladder natin.
6. Taro nga pag dice.
It's 6. Oh, 6. Yellow.
Kanji karon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. It's mommy turn. 1. Nag-isdug lagi ng... Okay. Lala's turn. 4. Butin, your turn. Butin, your turn.
If I go here and win, my deal is 2, 3, 4. Dali, ikaw next.
So,
Imong pa natin, imong deal.
so it's my turn.
It's my turn.
3.
Tupod na
Oh,
lang.
2. 1, 2. Yan. So it's mommy's turn.
Wait, mami. 4, 5.
5. Stop. Go outside.
Pusa. Ayaw pa kayo mukuhan. Wow.
What's the next? Yeah, your turn, Lala.
1, 2. I don't want to go here. I want to go here. 6. Ay, no, it's a different A. Okay, Sarah na. Hindi, siya.
So it's mine.
Ano nangyari?
Wala na kay storage.
Hindi, naputol.
Wala kay storage.
Go. Sige.
Sige na, Dre. Aula.
Next.
Ikaw na.
I'm done. Stop.
Okay, Dre.
Oh, done.
1.
Your turn, Daddy.
Dada.
It's mine, so it's mine.
Nagka ako na.
6.
Hulog. Hagbong
Where
na rin.
6?
Pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's mommy's turn.
Hindi ko nga color red, no?
Yeah, you're right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Yes!
Lala. Butin, your turn. 5. 1, 2, 3.
Limbungan na kita ha, 31, 32.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? I'm leading now. Mga palangga. The yellow one. No, I'm leading, darling.
Leading naman ka. Oh, maana,
No, I'm leading.
Leading siya na. No, maparakan ko kan.
No, it's not. Oh my God.
Dili ka. Ay, dili to. Ayaw pag natin dili ka.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, okay. Go. Butin, your turn. 3. What is your color, Audrey? Okay. You're stuck in the... Come, mine. Wait.
Parang galit ka.
It's 2.
No, it was 6.
1, 2. Ooh.
Your turn, mami.
Mommy's turn.
Diyos ko, Lord. 1,
6.
3.
4, 5, 6. Buntik na. Lala. You go now. 6.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eh, you.
Your turn, Audrey.
That's not good. Your mouth.
Left.
2.
2. Green.
1, 2.
Yay!
Oh, you're lousy.
You're lousy. Kaya imong...
It's 4.
Paakadong.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Habalik ka.
I'm alive.
6.
6.
Kisa mga taas.
Ako.
4.
Ay, ka ila.
You go back.
You go to the clown. 1, 2. Yes!
Are you winning, anak? Did you win, ha?
Yes!
Oh. I'm dead. Sorry.
Sayo. Unsa naman to?
Oh my God. Sana. Lagay mo dyan.
Kisa daw natong tulo. Unsa man eh?
No, it's not.
Unsa man? So wala na. Wala na to kadil.
Wala na ang deal. So it's... Okay, I already lost our deal, but also my wife also lost. Oh, you're the winner, right? Okay, congratulations, anak. So our deal is...
Para sa ka-Audrey.
Okay, so...
Sila ang na-win, di.
Yeah, they win.
Ba't mo nagbakbak po kawin?
Sige.
So yan mga palangga, natalo po si Puruntoy Guapo. So ang anak ko ang nanalo. So our deal is, your birthday is, maligo tayo sa,
Manuel.
wow. So mag-swim-swim kami sa Manuel mga palangga. Okay?
Yeah.
So mga palangga, thank you so much for watching our video tonight. So ganito talaga kami palangga pag brand out. Oh, ito na. Bonding time. So thank you so much for watching mga palangga. I hope nagustuhan niyo ang aking video. And bago ka pa sa aking channel, please like my channel, subscribe. And kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video, please share naman mga palangga. And don't forget to hit the bell all. So yan mga palangga, thank you so much. Say thank you, anak.
Thank you. I'm the winner.
So you're the winner? Okay, bye-bye. This is Puruntoy Guapo.
On the go. On the go.
Say ciao. Ciao.